Hello and good afternoon. Happy New Year. Climbing up here on the roof now. See, the gutters are filled up. The roof seems to be in pretty good shape. The flashings don't look too bad. A little caulking missing. Maybe a little close-up of the problem with the ridge vent up here. It looks like an animal was clawing at it and damaged it. Got a nice tight flashing around the chimney, it appears. Step flashing, counter flashing. Appears to be a good job. Uh-oh. Looks like something was trying to get in up here, scratching at the ridge vent. Or did get in, who knows? Never know. Something was really working on that, possibly a raccoon. We've got quite a bit of debris up here on the roof. Some marks here. It appears some hail came through. There's another bruise up here. Oh, there's another one up top here. Couple smaller bruises I'm seeing. The flashings, rubber gaskets are all in all still in pretty good shape. Needs a little bit of maintenance. Possibly a hail claim if they want to get into that. I don't know, or it could be repaired depending on their deductible. I hope you all have a great day.